سلام. امروز 31 فروردین ساعت 5:45 منطقه زردنجان اصفهان. این کوه انرژی هسته‌ای ساعت 5:30 صبح صدا انفجار 3 تیر اومد. هیچ خبری نبود. صدا پدافند دفاعی بود، همین پدافند هوایی. این عزیزان که اینجا میبینیم صدا ایشون ها بود و اونجا امون هیچ خبری نیست. حداقل توی منطقه که ما هستیم نه جای خورد نه جای آسیب دید، هیچ.
What happened in Yspyhan reflects, I think, a decision made by Israel to relay the message to Iran that we are going to retaliate. We cannot tolerate direct attack from Iran against Israel. But on the other hand, to minimize the risks as much as possible in order to hopefully avoid another round of direct confrontation with Iran.
Iranian state media has seemed to downplay the attack, saying that a number of small drones have been intercepted by Iranian air defense over Yspyhan. That seems to indicate that Iran is seeking to step down off the ledge, minimize the impact of the attack, and perhaps walk back down the escalation ladder from here.